Okay, I probably should have said this in the last video. Don't spend too much time looking for the perfect template. If you're spending more than 5 or 10 minutes, you just wasted a bunch of time. Pick something. Okay, you probably already picked it. Here's what I picked. I picked this happy birthday thing and click on the customize this template, which pops up a new page right here. Now, some of these things you may notice that you'll be able to change text. Let's say I wanted to change this text and I could double click on it and I could say I am. But I don't like that text, so I could click on that and I can delete it. You know this, you've experienced this. Now, this one right here looks like this would be something that you'd be able to change the text on, but it's not. Okay, so if you come across like this and you don't like it, you just delete that. And then you could come here and we could add a normal text box, or you could have one of these pre-designed things. I don't know, and just kind of figure out what looks good. Let's say I choose this one, but I start typing I am. I don't really like that text, so I'm going to undo it by clicking Command Z, or of course, I'm going to bring that back. Command Shift Z, by the way, is redo. So undo, Command plus the letter Z on your keyboard. You do both of those at the same time, or redo Command Shift Z, but I could always just delete that and come back and find something that I like. And I did find something that I liked earlier. I was kind of messing around with this. And I could come in here and change it to I am. And I like that. Remember, when you try to move these boxes after writing, go ahead and click off to the side. I like clicking in the gray area, move it off to the side, delete everything that I don't need. Obviously, your IM is ridiculous. I've got to delete that. What is that your? Is that a whole different thing?